Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up building investor dashboards with Tableau, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. Select the appropriate file type or database you want to analyze. Once connected, prepare your data by dragging relevant tables into the data canvas. Create relationships between tables if needed for a more comprehensive analysis. Examine the data fields and confirm that they align with your investment metrics. Begin building your dashboard by selecting New Dashboard from the interface. Drag your chosen sheets onto the dashboard space. Arrange these sheets to create a cohesive layout that highlights key information. Incorporate filters for user interactivity, allowing investors to customize their view. Establish parameters to refine the data analysis process by setting specific criteria. Add visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps to represent your data effectively. Choose colors and themes that align with your branding and enhance readability. Incorporate tooltips to provide additional context when users hover over data points. Test all interactive elements to ensure they function as intended. Publish your dashboard to Tableau server or Tableau online for sharing with stakeholders. Set permissions to control who can view or edit the dashboard. Gather feedback from investors on the dashboard's utility and clarity. Make adjustments based on feedback to improve user experience and data presentation. Regularly update the data source to keep the dashboard current and informative. Monitor usage and engagement analytics to identify areas for enhancing the dashboard. Continue iterating on your dashboard design to adapt to changing investor needs. This structured approach will help you create an investor dashboard that is both informative and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.